The following video addresses the inspection and repair of the Ames 2000SS and 3000SS backflow prevention assemblies, sizes 2.5 through 6 inch. Before beginning any work, familiarize yourself with these procedures to avoid harming yourself or damaging the assembly. A copy of the following procedures, as well as specification sheets, repair kit ordering information, and additional product resources can be found online at amesfirewater.com.
To inspect your backflow assembly, you'll need a socket wrench, a rubber mallet or hammer, a flat blade screwdriver, and an FDA-approved lubricant. To begin your inspection, shut down the water supply by slowly closing both the outlet and inlet shutoff valves. Relieve any air or water pressure trapped within the system by slowly opening the number 2, number 3, and number 4 test cocks. With a wrench, disconnect the 2 bolts connecting the groove coupler. Once both pieces of the coupler have been safely set aside, remove the rubber gasket and lid to access the number 1 and number 2 cam check assemblies. Inside the assembly, you'll observe 2 check modules differentiated as the number 1 and number 2 respectively. The number 1 check, which can often be unscrewed by hand, should be removed first, followed by the number 2. If the number 1 check cannot be unthreaded by hand, insert a flat blade screwdriver against the check body and gently loosen it with a rubber mallet or hammer. Finish unthreading by hand. The number 2 check can be loosened by placing a long screwdriver between the studs on the check body and gently applying pressure. Once the check has been unscrewed, orient the cam arm downward and carefully lift it through the opening. To open and inspect the checks found in the 6-inch assemblies, first slide the cam arm over the opening stud on the outlet flange. Gently pull the arm back and lock the check open by placing the arm against the notch found on the check clapper. Checks found in the 2.5 to 4-inch modules can be opened by hand. Begin your inspection by cleaning the check module with water